Hi everyone, this is Gabby and today I'm going to show you how to get over the pain points of my Alien Xenomorph pattern. Just heads up, this is not a full tutorial. As per usual, in the description you're going to find the stitch tutorials, materials, and a link to the pattern. Now let's get right into it. Make the arms and legs. Finish off the first leg. Don't cut the yarn of the second leg. The second one should be the right leg. Do not remove the stitch marker of the right leg. Row 1, single crochet in the next 6 stitches on the right leg. And proceed to the left leg in the 13th stitch. That's the 13th stitch after the finish off. Be mindful of the knees of the legs and keep them facing the same direction. Single crochet in every stitch on the left leg and proceed to the right leg. Single crochet until you reach the stitch marker of the right leg. Place the pipe cleaners inside the legs. Place fiber fill in the legs. Sew the black part on top of the head between the first and the 25th rounds of the head. Attach the head to the neck area, sewing it in place between the 7th and 20th rounds of the head. If necessary, you can add some fiber fill to the neck. Finish off and sew the tail to the back of the body between the 2nd and the 6th rounds of the body. While sewing, stuff the tail with fiber fill if needed. Now it's time to make the spikes on the tail. Grab the yarn needle for sewing and black thread. The longer the better. Make a loop in the tail and get the needle through the loop from 7 to 8 times. Once this is done, gently tuck the yarn tail while simultaneously pushing the looped yarn towards the tail of the alien. Insert the needle in the same stitch to finish the spike. Pull it through 2 rows below the already made spike. Repeat till the end of the tail. For the arms, sew them to the body between the 17th and 21st rounds. Place more fiber fill if needed. Fold each tentacle in half and sew the edges. Use yarn needle for sewing to embroider the more delicate bones using gray yarn and pins. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Let me know if you like this style of video more or if you prefer the full tutorial. I'll be very happy to see your creation. You can tag me on Instagram and show off your new Xenomorph friend. If this video was helpful to you, please like and subscribe. Also, if you happen to read and like this video, you can support me by checking out my Etsy shop, which is called Amigurumi Forge. You can find the link in the description. Have a lovely day or night, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye bye now!